Okay, so we're going to download Trimble Installation Manager so we can get our programs installed on the TSC7 and the TSC5, and also this is how we're going to run updates on our TSC7 and our TSC5. First things first, we're going to open up our internet browser, go to search, and the easiest way to do this is, what do we want to find? We want to go in Trimble Installation Manager. And the first thing that pops up is Trimble Installation Manager. We're running a Windows device, so we're going to go through Trimble Installation Manager for Windows. We want to run a online, download the execution file. And then once that goes, we're going to execute. We're going to allow Windows to run it. We trust Trimble. I already have it installed, but we're going to run it anyway. And it's just as simple as following the steps in the wizard. We'll hit next. We'll accept because we trust Trimble. We'll hit next. We want it to install, so we're going to hit install. And there it is. It's installed on our computer. It's just that simple. Okay, I'm going to close that down. Say yes. Say finish. And that concludes installing the Trimble Installation Manager to our desktop.